third question. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if angle D plus angle B is 180 degree, AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 cm, AD is 4 cm and BC is 4.4 cm. A is 70 degree and C is 65 degree. These all condition we have to check. Is it a parallelogram or what? Okay. Now D plus B is 180 degree. For our easiness to check, I just made a rough sketch of a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay. So that you can understand where the angles lie, which are the opposite sides, etc. Okay. So what is given? Angle D plus angle B is 180 degree. What are angle D and angle B? They are opposite angles. It is given that their sum is 180 degree. It is not necessary. Always sum should be 180 degree. It is not at all necessary. So answer is can be but need not be. Okay. It can be. In a square, sum is 180 degree. But all the parallelogram sum is not 180 degree. So answer is can be but it is not necessary. Okay. Now second question. AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 cm. AB and DC opposite sides. What is given? 8 cm. Opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. AD is equal to 4 cm. BC is equal to 4.4 cm. AD is given 4 cm. BC is given 4.4 cm. Is it okay? No, because opposite sides are not equal here. So it is not possible. No, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, but here AD is not is equal to BC. So it cannot be a parallelogram. Okay. Now third one, angle A is 70 degree, angle C is 65 degree. What are A and C? A and C are opposite angles. What you have learned in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Here what you are seeing, opposite angles are not equal. So it is not a parallelogram. So no, in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal, but here angle A is not is equal to angle C. So it is not possible. Okay. Now draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. So it is not a parallelogram but two opposite angles are equal. The answer is a kite. In a kite you can see these two angles are equal but these two angles are not equal. Remember, only one pair of opposite angles are equal. That means exactly two opposite angles are equal. It is not a parallelogram. Okay. Here you can see angle B and angle D are equal. So answer is kite. Question number 5. The measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. I just made a parallelogram A, B, C, D. And what is given? Ratio of two adjacent angles equal to 3:2. It is given. What is asked to find out? Each angles of parallelogram you have to find out. Here only ratio of two adjacent angles are given. So we are assuming let 3x and 2x be the measure of adjacent angles. It is given ratio. So we are assuming 3x and 2x are the adjacent angles. And what are the adjacent angles? 180 degree. Because we know adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. That means the sum is 180. So 3x plus 2x is 180 degree. 3x plus 2x is what? 5x. 5x is 180. So value of x is 180 by 5, which is 36 degree. Okay. So therefore two adjacent angles are, what are the adjacent angle? 3x. That means 3 into x value is what? 36. 3 into 36 is 108 degree. And another adjacent angle is what? 2x. 2x means 2 into 36, so 72 degree. Therefore measure of each angles of the parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So 3x, 3x, 2x, 2x. That means 108, 72 degree, 108 degree and 72 degree. These are the angle measurement of the given parallelogram.